In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a payment method in your Steam wallet. Adding a payment method to your Steam account makes it much easier to purchase games, downloadable content, software, and other items whenever you're ready. The process only takes a few minutes, and once your payment details are saved, checking out in the future becomes much more convenient. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can add your preferred payment method without any confusion. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you prefer, you can also access your account through the Steam website using your web browser. Once Steam is open, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Click the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen, then enter your account credentials. Be sure to keep your login information secure, and if you're using a shared or public computer, avoid saving your login details on that device. After entering your credentials, click Sign In to access your Steam account. Once you're on your Steam homepage, locate your profile name near the top of the interface. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select Account Details. This section contains all of your account settings, including information related to your Steam wallet and payment options. Inside the Account Details page, look for the option labeled Add Funds to your Steam wallet and select it. This page is specifically designed for managing your Steam wallet balance and payment options. From there, click Add Funds to continue to the payment selection screen. You'll now see a list of the payment methods available in your region. Browse through the available options and choose the one you'd like to use. Depending on your location, you may see choices such as credit or debit cards, PayPal, or other supported regional payment services. After selecting your preferred payment method, enter the required billing information. Carefully fill in the requested details, such as your name, billing address, and any other information required for the selected payment option. Before continuing, take a moment to review everything for accuracy to help avoid payment issues. Finally, click Continue to proceed. Steam may ask you to complete additional verification steps depending on your payment provider. Once that's finished, your payment method will be added to your account and ready to use for future purchases. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add a payment method to your Steam wallet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.